Hi, good morning guys. Welcome to Caribbean Medical Supplies demo day, and today I'm going to show you the MNChip. Simple operation, setup, maintenance. Just a little few tips that's going to help you with your MNChip. Now in the first step, you're going to put on our machine, a simple switch on at the back, and you're going to see the display come on. Now with the display on, it's going to do a simple warm-up test to initialize the system to make sure everything is working the way it should. Now, along with the MNChip, they provide you with your transfer pipette. And this is our reagent that we're going to be testing for today. It's the liver function panel. Now, with this liver function panel, with just one sample, we're able to get a whole list of liver function parameters from just one sample. And that's the benefit of the MNChip PointCure M4. We provide panel with our results compared to some other machines that will just give you one result. Now let's give us some time for the machine to warm up. Alright, while our machine is just getting warmed up, we're going to prepare our sample and our equipment to test. Now our home screen is on. Now that we have our home screen, we can proceed to testing the sample. Now this is our reagent disk. Let's give it a couple minutes to warm up, to adjust to the room temperature. Now you're going to notice it has a QR code. Now we see analyze here. When you click analyze, you're going to notice the QR scanner comes on at the side. Right. Now, we're simply going to scan our code, just like that, and it's going to ask us to determine the reagent disk liver function. We click yes, and they're going to ask us what type of sample are we testing. So it's just going to be a female, and we're going to prepare our reagent disk. Now, when you receive a new reagent box from MNChip, it's going to appear like this. Now, to open it, you simply just tear from the side, and it reveals the reagent disk inside. Now this is an important part because the machines are point of care. So whatever you prepare and you put into your reagent disk and you put into your machine, that's the result you're gonna get. So preparation is the biggest part when it comes to point of care machines. Now we're gonna pipette our water. Now you're gonna notice on the reagent disk, there's a white circle and then there's a red circle. Now the white is for the water and it holds 430 microliters of water. You notice the MNChip branded transfer pipette, so you won't be having to purchase these. This comes along with the machine. Let's just pipette our water. (430 microliters). And this goes in at 90 degrees. Alright, dispose of our pipette. Tip, now we're gonna pick up the sample for our test. Now note, this is serum. We're using serum for our sample. And it's 100 microliters. Make sure you have 100 microliters. And this goes in at 4 to 5 degrees. Make sure you have your angle set. and you pipette in your 100 microliters of sample. You gotta be careful that you don't have any bubbles being pipetted into the reagent disc, because this can affect the results. So you're simply slowly pipetting in the sample into the reagent disc. Remove your pipette tip. Now normally I will tell my clients to remove the blue film before you put it into the machine, because this next step they're gonna ask you is remove the film, and then they're gonna ask us to place the disc in the drawer. So we're just gonna place our disc, close, and they're gonna ask us, has the blue film been removed? Yes. Good. Now we can put in our test information. Now let's just gonna call this test. Okay. The age, let's just say the person is 25. ID 01. Okay. Female, next. The department it's in. Now we have a wide range of departments. We're just gonna call this internal medicine. And the area it's outpatient. Next. And in 7 minutes, 30 seconds, you get results for your liver and renal function panel. And this is a video on the operation of the MNChip on QRM4. Do come in at Caribbean Medical Supplies at Hydronic Perica to get your hand on one of these bad guys. Thanks.